My name is Dr. Mark Kayam. I'm an ear, nose, and throat specialist in Beverly Hills, California, and I subspecialize in treatment for snoring. Snoring is a very common problem that leads to a lot of social issues, and I know what it's like. Patients come to see me, they say that they have to sleep in a separate room, they have to sleep on the couch. The snoring is a big strain on the relationship, and the good news is we can fix it. There's different steps that may be necessary. In some cases, it can be resolved after only one simple treatment. Sometimes it may take 2 or 3 treatments. The good news is these are all office-based treatments that have almost no downtime. They are simple, they are quick, and they work. I've been a physician for almost 30 years now, and I've subspecialized in snoring for at least 15 years. And I can tell you that I definitely understand the issues that are at stake. Relationships are at stake. When people have to sleep in separate bedrooms, it's a strain on the relationship. And the benefits that they get once this is resolved, the smile on the face of the patients once they see the benefits that have been achieved and being able to sleep with their loved ones again, it's a beautiful, very rewarding experience. The question that I'm asked most often, how to stop snoring? Well, the good news is it can be done. This is our specialty. We would love to welcome you here to our Beverly Hills office. Call us at the number on your screen, 310-777-7879, and make sure to mention this video for a special offer. See you soon.